Have you ever stopped to think about how strange our planet really is? Earth isn't just a big blue ball spinning in space. It's full of weird, amazing things that even scientists find hard to explain. But most people don't notice these strange wonders happening all around us. Today, we're exploring some of the weirdest things happening on Earth right now, things that might just change how you see the world. Imagine walking across a desert and suddenly hearing the sand beneath your feet hum or roar like a giant instrument. It sounds like a fantasy, but it's real. Some sand dunes, like those in the Sahara and California, sing when the grains rub together just right. Scientists say it's because of the size and shape of the sand and how it moves. It's like the dunes have their own secret song, a natural symphony that's been playing for thousands of years. But here's the twist: not all sand sings. So what makes these dunes special? We'll get to that soon. Now, what if I told you there's a creature that can basically live forever? The immortal jellyfish can rewind its life, turning old cells back into young ones, like hitting a reset button. This isn't science fiction. It's a real process called transdifferentiation. Imagine if humans could do that. But it's not invincible. Predators and disease still get it. Still, this ability challenges everything we know about aging. In places like Papua New Guinea, there are lakes so hot they literally boil. These aren't normal hot springs. Some reach over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, filled with toxic gases and bubbling with volcanic activity. These lakes are windows into Earth's molten core, showing us the planet's raw power. But here's the question: how do any living things survive near these deadly lakes? The answer might surprise you. Every year, millions of animals go on epic journeys. Monarch butterflies crossing continents, wildebeests charging across Africa. But lately, scientists have noticed strange changes in these migration routes. Animals are showing up in places they've never been before. Is climate change confusing their internal GPS? Or is something else going on? This mystery is still unfolding, and it could tell us a lot about the future of life on Earth. Bees might be tiny, but they're huge for our planet. They pollinate plants that feed us and many other species. But here's the worrying part: bee populations are mysteriously dropping worldwide. Scientists call it colony collapse disorder, and no one fully knows why. Pesticides? Disease? Stress? Probably a mix. If bees disappear, the effects on ecosystems and food could be huge. So what can we do? Pause for a second. Have you ever noticed something strange in nature that made you stop and wonder? Maybe a weird sound or unusual animal behavior. Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear what weird wonders you've seen. In some places, entire islands float on water. These aren't tiny patches. Some are big enough to support trees, animals, even people. These floating islands form naturally from mats of plants and soil, drifting slowly across lakes and rivers. They're like nature's own boats, always moving and changing. But what happens when these islands collide or disappear? It shows us how delicate some ecosystems really are. Did you know Earth's magnetic poles have flipped many times? North becomes south, and south becomes north, but it takes thousands of years. Right now, scientists think we might be starting another flip. This could affect animal navigation and even satellites. But here's the weird part: no one knows exactly when or how it will happen. It's like the planet's own mysterious heartbeat. Our planet is full of mysteries, from singing sands to immortal jellyfish, boiling lakes to magnetic flips. These weird wonders remind us that Earth is alive, unpredictable, and endlessly fascinating. The more we learn, the more questions we have. And maybe that's the real magic. Earth keeps surprising us. If you enjoyed this trip into Earth's strangest phenomena, please hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing science and psychology videos every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the weirdest things are the most wonderful.